Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see how to fix Telegram downloaded media files not showing. So let's get started. First of all, let's open the Settings app on your Android device. Within the Settings app menu, scroll down to find the App Settings option. Tap on the App Settings. Once it opens up on the screen, tap on Manage App to see a list of all apps you have already installed on your phone. Scroll down the list of apps until you find the Telegram app. Tap on the Telegram app to access its specific app settings and permissions. Within the Telegram app settings menu, open the storage option where you can manage storage usage and clear cache data. At the bottom of storage settings, tap on Clear Data option. Tap on Clear Cache and then tap OK. Return to the main Telegram app settings menu and tap on the app permission option. Make sure to toggle off unused app settings. Return to the main Telegram app settings menu again. Scroll down and tap on battery saver option. Select the first option, which is there is no restrictions. By following these simple steps, you can fix Telegram downloaded media files that are not showing in your mobile phone. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.